Hello. In this Koieconsult video I will show you how to clean a painting brush after painting. So now I've just been painting this wall red. It looks really nice. And when you do this on a dugnad, most dugnad participants, when they finish this, they just throw the brush away and then go eating dinner and forget all about cleaning it. Now I will show you how you should do it to save the brush and save the environment. Yes, so what I used to do is to take the brush and try to squeeze out as much as possible on some part of timber that is doesn't care about. Try to squeeze out as much as possible. This is to save the amount of løsemiddel that we need to clean it properly. And we should also check that the floor isn't getting full of shit. I have prepared with some white spirit. Here you can see I've also tried to clean some other brushes at the same time to get some stordriftsfordeler. We have this laknafta, this white spirit. You can get it at Biltema store. So we try to squeeze it out, and then we find a new part of timber. You see there is still, the larger brush you have, the more paint is in it. So then you have to do this sometimes, but it is often worth the effort so that you can reuse the brush. If you are going to reuse the brush next day, you only need to put it in the white spirit. Try to squeeze out some of it, of the paint, and then you let it stay in the white spirit or kerosene or something like that, and then you can reuse it next day. If you are using a vannbasert maling, you should use water instead of the white spirit. Yeah, so normally you should do this outside the cabin so that you don't get all the red paint on the floor. So you see there will be less and less paint in it. Yeah, so now you see that there's not so much red paint in it anymore. So we are very close to finished.